Yesterday at my certified networker group coaching program with my clients, we were talking about a key element to referral marketing: promoting. When I say promoting, I don't mean promoting yourself. I mean promoting others. When we're doing business through relationships and referrals, it's the power of word of mouth and other people promoting you and your business. So you get your business exposed to more people out there. Imagine having an army of people out there promoting you and your business. So if we want other people to be promoting our businesses, guess what we need to do? We need to be promoting other people's business. Now, when it comes to referral marketing, there are three core elements. There's knowledge, there's skill, and there's strategy. So when we are promoting, we want to have the knowledge that and the awareness we are promoting someone else in their business. We want to increase our skill. So how well are you able to speak about other people's business and the people who you want to receive more referrals from? How well do you know their businesses and can speak to their business? And then their strategy. How are you actually, so here's an advanced tip. When you're promoting a business to a potential client or a potential referral source as well, can you tailor that promotion to the needs and what would be beneficial to that person? So we want to increase our skill and our strategy when we're doing our promoting. So why do you promote this person over all the other people who do that? And what specifically would be of interest to the person you're promoting to about that person's business? And there's so many other tips like this and actual strategies and skills and knowledge that we are increasing every week and every day in my Certified Networker program. I'm Maile Collmer, and I love helping people increase their business through relationships and referrals because I truly believe together we can accomplish so much more than we can alone.